welcome, or for those that have seen the series before, welcome back. My name is Greg Stopka, and I'm going to continue on to the series that we've been doing before, and that is designing wedding bands to accommodate engagement rings. The first one was a very simple design shadow band. In this particular ring, which is a diamond halo engagement ring, we're going to do actually two different types of wedding shadow bands. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and start designing away. This particular program or this process that I'm working with is a two-dimensional or a 2D designing computer program, and it's specifically made for jewelry. It's kind of like Photoshop on steroids, but the reason why I like to use it is that I can draw. I've always been able to draw or sketch, but I always like to be able to use something a lot more physical so that it communicates the design so much easier. So from here, what we're going to do is bring up somewhat of a copy of the ring, and we're going to select certain aspects of that ghosted look back here. And what I'm going to select is what I'm going to take away is going to be the halo, or the half halo. I'm going to remove that, and then I'm going to go ahead and kind of bring these cut edges along the sides in a little bit. There we go. And then I'm going to finish this off by going forward, and you can see that the design automatically kind of cleans up the edges and puts somewhat of a shadowed look on it. So with that look, that would be a very, very nice, clean, traditional type of wedding band attachment. Now, this particular piece works well when the halo does not go all the way down, or the sides of this halo doesn't go all the way down and touch the finger. If the underside is cut out so that it will allow a wedding band to slip underneath it, this look works very, very well. But sometimes, on many occasions, this halo actually goes through all the way to the bottom, touching your finger. That really doesn't allow us to be able to incorporate just this band. So what we have to do is we'll have to bring kind of a semi-halo that goes around it so that it can fit around it nice and snug. So what I'm going to do is from here is I'm going to leave this band, and we're going to bring up another ghosted look. But the area that I'm going to use is just a halo. Okay, so I'm going to cut away unnecessary areas I don't need. Take away that, and then I'm going to cut away another unnecessary. And then I'm going to take this part, this halo part, and I'm going to manipulate it. Now I'm going to do this down and dirty. I mean, typically when I do this stuff, I'm going a little slower, but because we don't have all that much time, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up the fast way. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is bring in the piece that I want to work with, squash it down a little bit, open it up a little bit, bring it in. Now we're going to lengthen it up a little bit here. Actually, I'm going to have to do this another way. Okay. So we're going to separate this, bring this up a little higher, bring this over, and from here I'm going to bring over the top, and there you go. Two different types of shadow bands that can be utilized. One with just the small band, and the other one with the halo.